Hai guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, meet again with me, Mem Ica or Mem Solichati. Today we will discuss about how we make some ideas to recycle and decrease the use of plastic. As you know, the human are very often use the plastic in everyday and entirely our life, and then that's make pollution our environment if we cannot to make it better. uh, but before that, how the way to decrease the use of plastic, I think first we can avoid use the plastic. For example, when drinking straw, like when we buy some drink, when we buy drink and then don't use straw, and then we can bring from our house. It's like maybe a glass like this. And second, when we go to shopping, to the mall or supermarket, we can bring like a cloth bag, not using plastic bag. It's will decrease. And then when it is already done our shopping, so we can keep it anymore. Third, buy more food, and it is not to use the food that use of plastic bag. Next, we can use reusable coffee. When we drink something, we can bring by ourselves. And when we have usable of the place of coffee and then drink, I think we can do that to decrease the use of plastic. Okay, for next is about recycle. How to recycle the plastic? Actually, what is that mean of recycling? Plastic recycling is the processing of plastic waste into of the other product. Recycling can reduce depend of the landfill, conserve resources, and protect the environment from plastic pollution and also greenhouse gas emission. And then how the way to recycle of the plastic? Actually, after we drink from the plastic bottle, we can gather and collect it based on the small or big like that. We can collect it, and then it's a recycle again, become something that will can use it. For example, it is become fiber, and then to the bag, and then become furniture, vase, and small table, small chair. That's the case, can be toys like that. Everything that can use, but it is depend on our characteristic and also our skill to make it better. And then in our environment, I think right now there is a bang rubbish. It's mean all of the rubbish from our environment is collected in the rubbish bank. And then every month, usually for the place, it is from the mem of PKK. Usually it is make it something that's from the rubbish. Sometimes it's a become competition like that. So I think we can use everything even though it is already become the rubbish. But it is depend on us. How do we to keep our environment? It is from pollution of plastic. So that's why from begin right now, start right now. Please don't throw the rubbish. The plastic of rubbish, it is useless, but we can gather then and collect it then and become something useful in our environment. For example, and when we are become a teacher, so we can teach our student. It is maybe make a vase from a plastic bottle, and then we can make a like paint, and then become there is a plan over there. We can do that in art. That's one of the example, but I think there are many kind that it is make it from bottle plastic, and we can recycle. There is tool, or there is a tool. I think it's depend our skill. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.